Here's something to inspire you. I am full of energy and life. From happiness and life.
Alexa, stop. I'm gonna try to be I'm going to try to be early today. Cause somehow when you're a couple of clicks late, they call that absent. Yo, tomorrow's Christmas Eve. That's crazy work. It's literally Christmas Eve. Like, as soon as they hit like August, should be flying. Why? I don't know. But that's okay. We about to get all this stuff. About to get everything in order. God's gonna work it out as usual. He always works it out. Always. He always works it out. Ooh. Hey. Always. Let me brush my teeth. So I definitely have to make sure I have my tea in the morning.
Hey, Tony, lunch? Sizzler's got a 2-for-1.
Ah, man. You might choke on a crouton and try to sue me.
Oh, my foot. It hurts. It's hurting. I am hurting. That would piss me off. I hate doing them.
What am I paying?
Take the remote. Well, you know what? You're gonna be Luigi now.
You say slow down. I don't like to move too fast. It drowns the truth with things that are not real, and I really want.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. I mean, I know the words.
You never do.
I do know the words. Kevin over there chomping.
No, you did.
Oh, crap. There we go. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
I almost had them.
Almost is not getting it.
Obviously, money. Kill him.
Close.
To be real with love, love that lasts. In the past I messed up, gave too much.
noise. How you think I did? Christmassy? I decided to do my own freaking nails because the store didn't have the nails that I like really want to put on. So I'm gonna just look nice and Christmassy. Got a little snowflake glittery. I think it's cute. Let me put top coat on the nail so we can seal it. Let's see. I'm gonna show you. Let's see. Get a little. All right. Put a little top coat on here. Oh yeah. Y'all can't tell me nothing. I out here just made my own personal ones from scratch, literally. Not bad. I got glitter in that top coat. Dang it. Oh man. Alright, wait to put them on tonight. See how it roll out. Roll out. Cause I'm in. They having Christmas dinner tomorrow. Well, Christmas party supposedly tomorrow.
Hello?
Alright.
How did I just make that sound? That's
Yeah.
scary.
Put it aside. Alright. We got enough top coat there. Should be enough. I think this is cute. I like it. I like it. I really, really like it. I was trying to make a snowflake, but I just made some very festivity. Watch when you get on fingers. Trust the process. Trust the process. Wait till I put it on my fingers. Oh gosh, still got the glitter on. I know it's some in here now. And this got all the glitter on here. Oops. Oopsies. Oopsies, made of oopsies. That's from White Girl. Oopsies, made of oopsies. Oh, just my topic.
That's from what?
White Girls. And he was like, oopsies, made of
Isn't
oopsies.
it white chick?
Oh, yeah. I said White Girls. Same thing, Shawnees.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
I said, what is she talking about, white girl?
Same thing. Just different pronouncing.
Okay.
All right.
Do I have to go back out there and shoot that?
More.
What's my? I need to know what my task is, cause
Pour
clear.
that on there.
I can't do that. He gonna try to kill me.
So my flakes won't fall off. Some already fell off. And bam. Let's put this in there. Let's put both of them in it so we can double. Oh, camera about to die now. And you see. Oh.
Alright.
All set. All set and ready to wear. So I made it to work on time. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, so I will keep everybody up to date and stuff. I did my nails. I didn't put them on. I'm gonna let them set. I like them. I like them and I don't care. It's a process, especially when you're doing it yourself. And I don't got all like the colors that I want, so what else? Yeah, about to lay it down now. So to be continued.